Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good day, everyone. Distinguished guests, esteemed college, and fellow participants of Borobudur International Symposium 2024. It is an honor and privilege to stand before you today to share insight and engage in meaningful discussion about my paper, Extraction Image Texture Feature using GLCM method for damage analysis on solar panel surface images. And this is my layout for my presentation. The authors identify background to the problem, methods, research result, and conclusion. Before I proceed, allow me to introduce the incredible team behind this work. Together with me today are Ninuk Viliani is myself, and I came from Pancasila University, Prof. Titi Hawa from Malaysia, and Professor Suzaima Ramli from Malaysia, who have significantly contributed to the success of this project through their expertise and dedication. Their efforts have been instrumental in bringing our research to fruition, and I am truly fortunate to work alongside such talented individuals. This research aims to develop a system for detecting and classifying defects on solar panel surface, such as scratch, microcracks, invisible holes, and chemical residue. Intelligent image processing techniques were explored with various methods, tests, and compared to identify the most effective approach. The results of these experiments are detailed in this study. The sun is the primary source of energy for Earth, delivering approximately 1000 watts per meter quadrat under normal conditions, with around 207.898 megawatt reaching the Earth's surface daily. About 30% of this energy is reflected back into the atmosphere. Harnessing solar energy offers significant benefit. The world remains dependent on petroleum as the primary energy source, despite its increasing scarcity and cost. Meanwhile, the demand for electrical energy continues to grow beyond expectation. The sun serves as the primary energy source, delivering approximately 1000 watts per meter squared of solar energy to the Earth's surface under normal conditions. The efficiency degradation of solar panels due to its environmental and financial impact has been a focus of scientific and engineering research for the past 4 decades. Despite significant efforts by experts, the issue remains unresolved. Undetected faults in solar panels have led to several hazards, including fire incidents. For example, a fire broke out on a 3 kilowatt PV modules in Bakersfield, California in 2009, and another occurred at a 1 megawatt PV power plant in Mount Holly, California in 2011. In both cases, unidentified system faults caused the fires, resulting in complete shutdown. Solar panel surfaces often exhibit defects characterized by their shape and texture. However, these defects are challenging to detect as they remain hidden until the system fails. This is my research objective. The first objective is develop a feature extraction technique for solar panel surface image. And the second objective is analyze feature extraction based on no defect, crack, scratch, and spot. This is my dataset. The dataset used in this study consists of images of solar panel surface with various defects, including a normal, a crack, scratch, and spot. It compares labeled image categorized based on defect types and their characteristics, providing a comprehensive basis for analyzing and classification. This dataset is instrumental in training and evaluating the proposed image processing and classification method. This is my research method from real image and convert to grayscale and then to matrix dimensional array to become a co-occurrence matrix. So we have to normalize matrix, become to energy, so we can result for energy, homogeneity, entropy, and contrast. Okay, the real image changing to grayscale image. Then we can get the histogram for the image. For principal degree is use 0 degree, 45 degree, 90 degree, and 135 degree. This paper discuss key texture feature from the gray level co-occurrence matrix, which is GLCM, for analyzing solar panel surface. Energy measure texture uniformly. Higher values indicate more uniform texture. Homogeneity reflects pixel brightness similarity. Higher value indicate more consistent texture. Entropy indicate texture complexity. Higher values suggest more variable texture. Contrast measures intensity difference between adjacent pixels. Higher values indicate more pronounced transition. This feature helps classify and identify defect based on texture pattern. So we get matrix for this value, which is GLCM for energy 0 degree, homogeneity and entropy contrast, which is each 0, 45, 90, and 135. This is the result of co-occurrence matrix. Then next to normalize with 0 degree, 104 is become 0.453. This is the result of maximum and minimum values non-defect. We can get the maximum value and minimum value each. Performance comparison of various type with VLCM method, which is the non-defect energy 0.002 and crack 0.005, scratch 0.002, and spot 0.002. Okay, the texture analysis reveals distinct difference across surface condition. Cracks show the most complex texture with high community, which is 7,423.344. Entropy is 36.136 and contrast 7,040 and 19.344, indicating variability. Non-defective surface are the most uniform with low entropy, which is 31.503, and contrast 6,358.808. Spots have lower homogeneity, which is 5,636.922, and contrast 5,000, sorry, 632.922, showing a smoother, less consistent texture. Energy values are low, with cracks showing slightly higher uniformity, which is 0.005. This finding demonstrates that defect increase texture variability, while non-defective surfaces are more uniform. In conclusion, this research highlights the significant impact of texture analysis on detecting and classifying defects in solar panel. By utilizing intelligent image processing techniques, we can identify and address issues such as crack and spots, which otherwise remain undetected until they cause failure. These findings not only enhance the reliability and efficiency of solar panel system, but also contribute to the advances of sustainable energy solution. Thank you for your attention, and I look forward to any question or discussion.